Welcome! My name is Onita Castillo and I'm the Original Designs team leader here at Rogers Gardens, and today we're going to talk about fall container gardening. I kind of put an emphasis on your front porch, so a lot of these containers are one-sided. First we're going to start with the outdoor full sun containers. So first we're going to be talking about this Redstone Pot. It's very traditional for fall, those warm tones. I paired it with this lavender, and then the osteospermum and the heuchera and the kale. Really plays off the blue and the gray together, and then the mauve-y kind of more warm tones. And don't forget to pair it with some matching pumpkins to go with it. Now we're going to look at the bright colors of fall, and this is a Hamelia, which has some really great tubular flowers that the hummingbirds really love to come to. And pairing it with this dark foliage really brings that brightness out. This is a dark blackjack phormium. Then we also have the sunflower's little cousin, Rudbeckia, which really screams fall and it really brings in that warm tones. Then just as we're starting to get cooler temperatures, we can bring out those cute little faces of the yellow violas. And don't forget to also pair in with your bright colored pumpkins, and it'll really bring that color out. Now for something that's not traditionally fall, we're going to pair this in a blue cobalt pot. Something that you don't need to be afraid of is to just mix color, go for it, be different out there. So this has the fireworks phormium. It's got those great little fuzzy bunny tails that make you think of fall, and then mixing in there some of those hot rich colors of the snapdragon. Then as we also come down here for your spiller, we got these burgundy petunias, which really bring down the color and kind of follow your eye down. Then I also paired it with a variegated sage and a bee balm. So you can also use culinary herbs in your containers to just bring out some different colors and textures, and also they're usable for your kitchen. And don't forget your pumpkins also with it. Now we're going to talk about the shade fall planters. These can actually work on a covered patio where it is a little bit of sun but mostly shade. And here we have again the non-traditional cobalt pot, and this is a all-around 360 design, so this could also go on a table, but still great for a porch. So now we're going to talk about the contrasting foliage that I have with this dark great goji berry heuchera, and then we also have this kale, and then the blue moon lobelia. It's great contrast, but really goes with this blue pot. And you can also pair it with different colored pumpkins. Don't be afraid to mix the oranges in there to make it a little bit more fall. And now for the more traditional fall planting in the redstone container. We're going to mix foliages because it is kind of hard to find flowering plants for the shade in the fall time. So you really get a chance to mix those foliage colors in high contrasting colors. We have the Acorus ogon, or sweet flag, with this bright variegated yellow and green leaf. And then we have a mix of heucheras. You don't always have to use all different plants. You can always just duplicate some of the same plants, and that makes it less busy. So I've chosen two different types of heuchera and the autumnal fuchsia. It does have little flowers, but it's just great with this foliage, and also don't forget your cute little pumpkins to go around it. Thank you for watching this video on fall container gardening. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.